Nitin Sule. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering from Electronics and Telecommunication background. I have joined ETLHive for data science course. First, I suggest you who want to switch career from non-technical to IT field. Those person, those student, ETLHive is the best option. ETLHive is the best class from in because Vaibhav sir is a very good trainer, a very deep knowledge for every topic and every point clear in every sessions. Suppose you don't understand any concept, that time Vaibhav sir give you proper example and clear your doubt. So I am saying thanks for ETLHive, especially thanks for Vaibhav sir. Okay, and all whole review are is genuine.